Crystal balls and political elections. People have been trying very, very hard to predict the future. See, for example, in the course of a political election, public opinion polls are used to try to capture the intentions of voters and then predict the outcome of the election. The problem is that at points far from the election, these predictions can be very unreliable. See, people just don't end up doing what they say they're going to do. And these are crucial points in an election when billions of dollars are being spent on strategic advertising and campaign planning, oftentimes based on these unreliable predictions. So we need to find a better way to predict future behavior, which is where my research comes in. Along with my fellow graduate student Ben Smith, we have empirically demonstrated how the behavioral patterns of internet users can be used to increase the accuracy of these predictions and accurately predict the outcome of major political elections. See, instead of trying to predict future behavior based on what people say they're going to do, we sought to measure public opinion and predict future behavior based on what people are already actually doing. So how do we do this? Well, as any inquisitive grad students would do when in need of an answer, we turned to Wikipedia. See, in every major election, the candidates have a Wikipedia page, and Wikipedia makes all of its usage data public. So by capturing the usage data on each candidate's page, we can calculate first how much information is being sought about each candidate, and second, how much information is being created about each candidate. These behaviors indicate the public's level of interest or engagement towards each candidate, and we can use them to predict the outcome of the election. So we looked at all the candidates in the Senate elections of 2008, 2010, and 2012, and we captured the entire data set of all the Wikipedia viewing and editing activity in the 6 months leading up to each election. And what we found is powerful. The red line here shows a traditional model based just on the polls. As expected, it performs very well close to the election and then drops off significantly as we move further away. Then we added in the Wikipedia usage data as a predictor. You can see that at points far, far away from the election, it significantly improved our ability to accurately predict the final vote share that each candidate would receive in their election. Where the poll-based predictions are the weakest, predictions based on online behavior are the strongest. This is a huge advancement of our understanding of election predictions and voting behavior because it demonstrates, or it helps us to solve this long-standing problem of unreliable predictions at points far away from an election. It also demonstrates that the tiny little actions of internet users can be used or gathered up and used as an indicator of public opinion, which can accurately predict the outcome of future elections, more accurately than a traditional prediction model, and certainly more accurately than a crystal ball. Thank you.